Hey everybody, this is Jess from Jessica Lynn Original Studios, and today I thought it'd be really fun to use one of the new Lawn Fawn stamp sets. It has these adorable little skunks, and I thought, this would be so much fun, and I love the two of them cuddling, but I wanted to color it in just a little bit different. So I found this pack of paper that I have. It's called the Romantic Pack. And I love these beautiful blossoms. And so I thought, how beautiful would that be to go ahead and set these two little skunks, which I am not going to color traditional colors. And let's go ahead and do that and just see how that turns out. So the first thing we're going to do is get this beautiful blossom paper adhered to the background. Let's go ahead and do that, and I love this. I think it is so beautiful. I think sometimes you can pick very dramatic paper for your background, and it just means you get to make more of a simplistic card. But I think, if you're making something for someone you love, it doesn't really, you can be overly embellished, you can be under, as long as you show how much you care for them. That's really the most important thing. So we're going to go ahead and add that background. There we go. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to get out my Copics and my Cali Art markers, and we're going to go ahead and color this in. And I think it's going to go about there, but I do want to stamp a sentiment on there. And this sentiment is actually from the Jessica Lynn Original brand new set that launched late winter of 2021, and it is our Chihuahua stamp. And you can see I'm using the sentiment that says, "Love you with all my heart." And I love these Chihuahuas. They are so sweet. I definitely have to go in and make a couple more cards with them because I think that'll be fun. But let's go ahead and I'm going to stamp the "Love you with all my heart." There's just a little Chihuahua. Oh, he looks so cute with them. So let's go ahead and get that "Love you with all my heart" stamped up in the upper right hand corner with the Lawn Fawn stamps. I'm a big fan of their company. I really like their art. I think they're very, very cute. I have a lot of favorites. I like to make cards that I can give to people and that I can enjoy, or whoever I give them to they can enjoy. So let's go ahead and we're going to stamp that right up in that clearing. Boom. Love that. Definitely one of the favorite sentiments that I've designed recently. I just really like the flowy kind of artistic feel of the font with the "With all my heart," which is nice and solid. So now let's go ahead and color these little guys in. I really wanted something non-traditional. I know they're skunks, but I thought, you know what, let's make them brown, almost like they're little chipmunks with like little colors on the top of them or something. And you can see the one in the front, that's the little girl, and then there's going to be a little boy, and so I think I'll use different shades of blue for him. But let me play around with this first. I'm not sure 100% yet, but I think that that will be a great way to color these in. Plus, it'll really stand out, but also sort of feel like it's part of those beautiful blossoms and in that same color family. Oh my goodness, they are absolutely adorable. When I went to put them on, I realized they've kind of blended almost too much into the background. So what I decided to do is we're going to take a piece of black paper and I'm going to go ahead and just glue them onto the black paper. And then I'm going to cut a second, almost drop shadow outline of them. I think we need just a little bit more contrast to be able to pull them away from that very, very patterned paper. And from my video, from what I can tell here, the lighting, it almost makes the blossoms look faded, but I will tell you they were just about as bold as the adorable skunk chipmunk things that I colored. So know that they're actually much more bold. The paper was much more bold. I will put up on my Instagram some images of this too, so you can see that. And now we're going to take some foam risers and we're going to put those on the back because I really love the foam risers and how they give you that extra shadowing in a card. I think it's really cool. One of my favorite tools. I know it's a goofy one, but it really is one of my favorites. So we're going to get those backings off and then we are going to find the perfect location for those adorable little critters who are hugging. Yeah, I think that's going to be right about there. I love it. I love it. So you can see it's much bolder than it actually looked because the lighting was really bright from up above. Don't forget, always sign the back of your cards. Super important, especially if you're going to give this to somebody you love or you're going to give it to your Valentine or maybe your kids. You know, just make sure you color it in and be sure to sign the back because then if they put it away, they'll have that to look at in the future. So, super easy card. Love this stamp set from Lawn Fawn. Love my sentiment from Jessica Lynn Original. Love the fact that it's part of our new Chihuahua stamp set. I think that's fun too. Be sure to head on over to our website. It's just jessicalynoriginal.com. And we are going to be adding a whole bunch of stuff. Our actual website will be changing soon, so I apologize for so much Disney content lately, but I am in the process of changing my studio to a whole new location in my house. So be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you back. There's no cost. It'll just tell you when there's a new video, and don't forget to like this video. Take care.